Hey guys, this is Elisa with WTI.
If you're on the hunt for a beard growth kit, you've come to the right place. I highly recommend the beard growth kit from BBS Best Beard Stuff. My husband tried this kit and I can confidently say that it works wonders. My husband's beard looks so much healthier and more vibrant after using it. It moisturized, it maximized the volume, and I also saw that it prevented buildup. Plus, it feels incredibly soft. The kit is made with biotin castor oil and meadow foam. Even though it uses these ingredients, it has a very pleasant scent. And the beard brush is made with premium first cut boar bristle, which tames and styles your beard while also stimulating healthier growth. So if you're looking for a beard growth kit that will strengthen beard hair, support beard growth, and soften your beard, don't waste your time searching. Just grab this one and enjoy the results.
And that's our point of view.